go here. Morning, YouTube. Huh? Yeah, we're up here at Hot Springs. Got the truck. Let's look at this view. Well, finally got old Rex off road. It's pretty out here. It's about 50 degrees. We're gonna hang out in the park for 3 or 4 hours today. Drive some of these roads. And just have some fun today. So y'all come along and we'll have a good time today. Oh, we're still out here. We're at the next lookout. Kind of see everything's going. We'll walk around the truck here and we'll flip it around. Take a look at some of these other spots. We will not be going down this next one. We're going around. Other thinks it looks fun. I don't know for who. I'm sure the truck could make it down that. I think the Jeep made it down that. I think we screwed up and went down there last time we was here with the Jeep. I don't remember. I think we might have. But this trailhead shows it 3 diamonds, so that's more than I want to take Rex on.
The first time.
Yeah. Heather's digging for rocks. Plenty of them out here. But old Rex is doing pretty good. Hadn't bottomed out yet, and I say yet. But this is all just, well, let's take a look at what the trail material is. So all these big rocks, big quartz. We had some pretty good hill climbs and whatnot getting up here. Nothing like that G6 there. But got Heather in the background digging for rocks. It's been a good day so far. I think we've been out here probably an hour. Driving around a little bit. Haven't seen anybody else. Been nice and quiet. But our next thing is we got to go down this way to the next turnoff. And we'll start heading back and around. Hopefully the dash cam video is picking up pretty good. I actually put a new chip in it so we could just get this off-roading done. But I varied down to 25 on the truck, and it seems like it's fine at 25. Got it in 4 low. And I put the axle lock on a couple times when climbing hills, but other than that, it hadn't had no issues. So we're gonna get back at it. So we'll get back to the dash cam. So earlier, what y'all see on the dash cam when we were coming down the hill, we're on the other side now. So let me see if I can get a good visual of what we eased on down. There's a hill. That's what we traversed down. That looks a lot bigger than it did when we were going down it, that's for sure. But yeah, we're still having fun. We're at a little stopping point here. I just want to get out and show you all that big hill. And we're starting on Brandon's Run, which is a 2-diamond. It'll probably be easier than Highway 5, whatever they call it, because heck, that was a trail in itself, and it's supposed to be a service road. So, but anyway, we're gonna keep on going, and we'll end up back around at the I guess they call it the store or whatever here. But yep, Rex is doing fine. All right, we'll be back. Well, it's the end of the day. We're back here at the store, they call it. It was a pretty good day. The truck did amazing. I'm sure y'all seen some of the real bad off-camber spots that scared the snot out of me. Oh, it's wrong. Whoa! Damn! But something happened while we was on the trail. Let's go take a look at it. I was coming down into Brandon's Run. And, well, let's just spin around and take a look at this. Yeah, look at that. Slid right into a tree coming down the hill. Tires lost grip and just slid right into the tree. So, someone hit this. There it goes. Just watching these roots. Mm-hmm. And then we go straight. Yeah, it looks like we go through that. Kind of confused with where we go here. Mm-hmm. Oh, guess I have to take the truck to the body shop. So yeah, but other than that, it was pretty fun. Got me more used to getting off-road. I'm still not used to being off camber like that. But I'll get there. And next time we go out, I'm gonna get me a XJ. So if it does get dented up and running into a tree or something, I'm not upset about it. So, but anyway, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go get something to eat. Then we're gonna head on back to the house. We got a 3.5 hour ride. Later, guys.